as a former police officer, I tell you, one of these is definitely a necessity in any vehicle. I bought them as gifts and I give them away to a family member and friend. And they were one of the, I think, Black Friday or Monday Cyber deals on Amazon. I think they were like $4 each. I don't know. The details will be below. This is keep away from small children. So this is the actual item. I have one in all my vehicles, and every single police officer has one of these in their vehicles. That's how important they are. So anyone who has vehicles should carry one of these. It's, God forbid you ever get in a situation where you need to break the glass or get out of your seatbelt right away. That's what this is for. So this is more of a look at, as I'm not going to break my glass. This is for mounting purposes, this piece right here. I have one very, very similar to this one in my vehicles. And set the button for the release. No. You can mount it, or you just keep it in the glove compartment like this. Pull, well, I guess pull it out. So you pull forward to take it out. This is the actual, you can mount it somewhere. It's the hammer-like item. Two ends are the same. Plastic, light, and metal.
BlueSkyBos Value 2-Pack. Emergency Escape Tool Auto Car Window Glass Hammer Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter Escape 2-in-1 Tool by BlueSkyBos. A must-have emergency life-saving tool can make a huge difference between life and death, and should be in every vehicle. Use it in case you are trapped in a vehicle that is sinking to water, rolling over, or on fire. If the powered windows are not functioning during an emergency, use the double-sided steel strike point to break the side window glass, not windshield. If the seatbelt cannot be released, use the protected razor-sharp blade to cut through the seatbelt, then free trap driver and passengers. Compact, lightweight, proven to work, easy to fit in glove box, center armrest console, or door pocket. Each hammer is in an individual nice package, ideal gift for all occasions. Important information, legal disclaimer, BlueSkyBos registered sign. Emergency Escape Tool Auto Car Window Glass Hammer Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter Escape 2-in-1 Tool is designed to assist driver and passengers to get out of the vehicle in an emergency. We, BlueSkyBos LLC, cannot guarantee that this tool will achieve this goal, as the severity of each incident and reaction, strength of the person affected are different. This tool is not a toy. Please keep out of reach of children. BlueSkyBos LLC shall not be liable for any kind of injuries for the children, whether direct or indirect, resulting from use of this tool as a toy. Product description: a peace of mind safety tool for escaping your vehicle in case of emergency. First of all, we, the sellers, also commercial licensed drivers and professional driving instructors, hope you will never need to use this tool. So please drive safely. But imagine you or someone get trapped in a vehicle that is sinking to water, rolling over, or on fire. The powered windows are not functioning, or the seatbelt cannot be released. This essential tool can assist you or help others to escape. With a tiny fraction of your auto insurance, it can make a big difference between life and death. Compact and lightweight, only 7.5 lx 3wx 1.5h, 5 ounces, easy to fit in glove box, central console, or door pocket. A plastic holder is included for convenient mounting. Our hammer is in high quality and proven to work, but our price is less than many on the market. Once your item is delivered, you may use the link printed on the package to watch our live product testing video. You will see how the hammer works and learn how to use it with confidence in an emergency. Highly recommended by firefighters, rescue workers, and AAA. In fact, many our customers bought one for each of their vehicles by considering this recommendation. Each hammer is in a nice protected blister pack, making it a perfect gift for your loved ones and yourself. Click add to cart, get one now. We provide lifetime warranty. Contact seller directly for replacement details. Or if for any reason you are not satisfied with the item, simply return it for a full refund or exchange. No questions asked. For easy accessibility, please unwrap the package and place the hammer to a convenient location of your car. Consult a certified technician before using screws to install this hammer, as it may damage your vehicle's electrical wiring.
I hope you liked the video. Thank you.